Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with another video here. If you guys are always wondering why I'm always having a jacket on, it's because it's cold out here. It's actually raining right now. Check it out. I'm about to hit the gym right now. I'm gonna try to get some clips for you guys, and then after that I'm go pick up a load right after. But I'm gonna try to get some clips for you, and then we're gonna go pick up our load, and then I think we're heading to Washington. So let's get right to it.
Hopefully you didn't catch my voice crack.
Oh. Gotta get the whip too, bro. I'm trying to show off the whip. Boy, he's so serious. Crazy out here. All right guys, we just finished hitting the gym. I just finished taking a shower too. Now we're out here in Washington. It's snowing, and I'm gonna show you some clips of me driving in the snow. Hopefully you guys like it. Just don't forget to subscribe, guys. Make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 600 subscribers. Let's hit that goal and then start reaching 1K to see where the journey goes. Let's get it. All right then guys, we just made it here to our first stop. I'm gonna go check to see if they let me in so they can unload me on the first stop. Let's go ahead and knock and see if they could get me in right now, or if I will have to wait at 8:30. So let's check it out. So I'll just come here and knock right here. Let's see if they can take me in. Just like that, I just finished getting unloaded. Now I'm gonna go to my second stop and see if I could record for you guys me backing up. Then guys, and just like that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the whole video. I have some videos of me driving on the snow. I have two backing up videos, but one of them was in the night, so you can't really see it, so I'm not gonna put that clip in. But I have another clip I kind of did in the daylight, and I'm gonna put that clip in here. Some of you guys are not subscribed, so make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you for hitting 600 subscribers. Hopefully we can hit 1K like in 3-4 months. I'm gonna keep grinding to see where I get at. I just want to say thank you, and then make sure you guys share this video with your families, friends, whatever you guys could put it at. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Peace.